is parts of speech. Parts of speech are type of words in grammar. There are many different word categories. Every word in any sentence is from this category. These are mainly divided into 8 categories: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. Today we will explore the first category, which is noun. So what exactly is a noun? Noun is a word that contains person, place, thing, or an idea. Once again I repeat, noun is a word that contains person, place, thing, or an idea. To make you understand it, let's look into the examples of each. You must be knowing about this man. Yeah, Sachin Tendulkar. Who is he? He is a person. What about this place, Taj Mahal? Books comes in the category of things. And this image shows an abstract term, bravery, of a person who is fighting. Hope you are clear with these categories: person, place, things, and idea. Nouns are basically classified into 4 categories. First, proper noun and common noun. Second, countable noun and uncountable nouns. Third, collective nouns. Fourth, concrete nouns and abstract nouns. So let's look into the first category, proper noun and common noun. What is a proper noun? It defines a name of a particular place or thing. It specifies uniqueness. And what is a common noun? It defines a name we generally use for a person, place, or things. Let's understand both of them with an example. You can see in this image there is a collection of books. So books comes in the category of common noun. Now see the another image of a particular book named New Grammar Tree. So it comes in the category of proper noun. Let's see some more examples to make things clearer. Common noun examples are person, book, swimmer, country, and proper noun for the above common noun examples are Sachin, New Grammar Tree, Michael Phelps, and India. Now this exercise is to practice the concept we just learned. Let's look into them. Mihir has a big bag. Paris is the capital of France. A dog is man's best friend. Arun likes to travel by train. Here green words signifies proper noun and orange words signifies common noun. Now let's look into another category of noun, collective noun. Collective noun refers to a group or collection of same kind of person, place, and things. Let's look into the example to make things clearer. Collection of books refers to as bunch of books. So here bunch is a collective noun which refers to collection of books, many books at a time. Many sailors in the navy are referred to as crew of sailors. Let's look into some more collections and their namings. A litter of puppies, a gaggle of geese, a pride of lions, a troop of monkeys, a band of musicians, a rope of pearls.